YouTube. Been a little while since I posted a video. Been gearing up, getting ready, and we are just about ready to hit the road. That's what the video's about. This video is to give you a little insight as to what's coming up on the channel, and I need your help. What I need your help with is I've been working with a young artist on a new logo, icon, image for my channel, and I've kind of been shifting away from, it's been Bob Barker RV guy since I was doing floor plan tours way back in 2012, and that really no longer fits the content of what I'm trying to do on YouTube. So I'm kind of shifting that brand image and moving more towards the dude RV, because that's really where I want to be, is RVing in campgrounds, parks, and eventually doing some dry camping and some boondocking. We're about to delve into that. This young artist has put together some graphics for me. I'd like for you to take a look at her work and kind of my vision, and give me some feedback, good or bad. I want to know what you think about what we're putting together here, and post it in the comments down there. I'm paying her some money, so I want to make sure it's appealing to the masses, and it's definitely different from anything else that I've done. I'm not going to ever say that I'm an artist. But anyway, check it out. Here it is. All right, that's what we've come up with so far. And like I said, if you would post a comment down there and give me some feedback on this new graphic, I'd really appreciate that. So let's move on to item number two. Item number two, you'll notice, I got a bicycle hanging on the back. I got the scooter on the rack. We are gearing up. We are ready to hit the road. First thing in the morning, we are going to head east. We are going to the Smoky Mountains. Smoky Mountains National Park. We're going to drive up the Blue Ridge Parkway part of it. We're going to visit with some family in North Carolina. I've got a total of 10 parks lined up, so there'll be a new playlist. I think I'm going to call that playlist North Carolina 2018. I'm going to keep it simple. I'll also be posting the videos in the vlog playlist, some of them in the great places and some of them in the scooter tour, because I'm going to be doing scooter tours on a lot of these. Hopefully I have enough battery, because in 3 of the campsites that I'm visiting do not have electricity or water connections. We have the onboard generator, and we'll be in 8 to 8 generator operating, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. hours for operating the generator, which is good because we have the refrigerator. I'll be able to charge all my batteries. So should be able to charge the scooter. It takes 4 hours to charge the scooter on shore power. I don't know if that's going to change if I'm on the generator or not. It'll be a learning experience. Would be really helpful if I had a second battery, but I don't. So anyway, had not a whole lot of new modifications to the RV. I did some reorganizing and just kind of getting rid of some stuff. It's amazing how much stuff collects. And you're like, why have I been carrying this around for a year? I never use it. Okay, that's our update. Don't think I have anything else to talk about. All right, so that wraps up the update. I appreciate your watching. I appreciate the thumbs up. I really appreciate you subscribing. We are well on track to make that 9,000 subscriber goal for 2018. I really think we can do it. We're about to hit 7 in July. So it's entirely possible for another 2,000 before the end of the year. I just got to post more videos. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, more to come.